never. You could never. His ex could never. The next could never. I'm eating, I'm serving, I'm giving. I'm giving it on a plate. I'm giving it on a plate, serving it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Princess Alyssa. Why did I just put my hands on my head like that? No. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Princess Melissa, aka it's the Princess Duh, and today I'm back with another video, and that's period. Today we are about to do a hair video. I literally only use my natural hair now, and that is because I went bald, guys. So back when I used to wear my weave and I was a weave hair girly, a weave hair shawty, I used to wear frontals, and girl, it gave me traction alopecia. I have pictures, videos, all the tea on frontals. If you guys want me to do videos for you, I will do a video. I'm talking about videos. I will do a video for you guys and talk about like how my hair fell out, how I got traction alopecia, and how I fixed it. Anywho, we are about to do a hair video. I'm about to show you guys how to do a really cute hairstyle on your hair. Let's go ahead and get into it. Probably gonna turn this into a voiceover because I want to listen to Megan Thee Stallion. So it is what it is. Gonna be what it's gonna be. Period. Don't even know how we got her famous, but let's do this. And voiceover in 3. Voiceover in 3, 2, 1. God bless.
You know what I'm saying, baby? You bad and shit, man. You only cause I'm being money. That's all you getting from me. She just wanna ride your channel because your pink flooded.
Okay, guys, let's get started with this voiceover. The reason I'm doing more voiceovers now than I usually do is for 2 reasons. 1, I think it's easier to help you guys follow along if I do a voiceover. And 2, I'm tired of getting copyrighted. I get copyrighted, like, I swear, y'all, like, so much, especially on old videos. Like, I'm over it. So I'm going to do as many voiceovers as I can. So let's get started. Don't be worried about the voiceover, though, guys. I promise we are going to have fun with this voiceover. Girl, oh, what is that? Hold on, y'all. Okay, anyways, let's get started. So the first thing I'm doing, I'm combing my hair out, and I'm parting it right down the middle. Make sure you get a good middle part. And from there, you're going to part your hair from the crown to the ear. See just how I did that? I made a little line from the crown of my head to my ear. You are going to part another part right there. And then you're going to take all of that hair and braid it up and get it out of the way. Make sure that we're doing the exact same thing for both sides. So you're going to braid up, get out the way on one side, part the other side from crown to ear, braid that up, get it out of the way as well. We're going to use this hair later on in the video, but we just kind of need it out the way. It's easier if we just braid it down for now.
I turn it up, I freestyle like it's Berlin. I codeine like this shit deep.
When I tell y'all I love me some Babyface Ray, honey, I love me some Babyface Ray. And y'all, can't believe he came to Chicago, and I had no idea that he even came to Chicago. I was so pissed. Because I did not get concert tickets. Anyways, next thing we're going to do is take our rat tail comb or any comb that you have, and we're going to part out a little section behind the crown point of our hair. We're going to use that as like little braids in the end. It doesn't make sense right now, but it'll start to make sense sooner or later. So just part that piece and braid it in one big braid for now to get it out of the way. And once you do that, you should have something like this, where you have 2 braids on the side, and then you have that one braid just kind of dangling down the middle. Everything is kind of where it needs to be. And lastly, we're going to put our hair in a little ponytail, put the back of your hair in a ponytail so that can be out the way. So now we're getting to the fun part. This is the fun part. We're going to take down those 2 big braids in the front. Take your EcoStyle gel, whatever gel you use, baby. I use EcoStyle. I don't care. I don't care what you guys say. I was raised on EcoStyle, and my hair be like really hard to manage. So Eco Style is my girl. She's gonna get me right every time. So I'm taking my Eco Style, I'm putting it on both sides of my hair, and I'm gonna take a very hard brush and just brush it down and get it as flat as I can. Right here, you can pretty much see me just kind of brushing it and manipulating those curls, trying to get them like super flat, because you don't want it to look bumpy. You want this part to look sleek, slick, laid to the gods, honey. So just keep on brushing until you get it as slick as you want it to be. Again, the goal is to get your hair super slick. You just don't want it to look bumpy in the end. It's not going to look cute with the hairstyle. So just try your best. I know it's hard, but just try your best. Once you get it slick, this is the part where I personally pull out my edges. I take my edges out now because once they kind of mold down with the rest of the hair, you're not going to be able to get them back out. Then we just take a small little rubber band and we're going to tie a little ponytail at the back of our hair. That is going to keep the hair looking slick. I know you guys probably see girls and they have the whole front part of their hair slicked down and you like, how the heck do they do that? How do they keep it down like that? That is the secret. They put a teeny tiny little ponytail in the back of their head just like this to keep their hair nice and slick. After you put your hair in the little ponytail, go ahead and remove that last part near the crown that we have braided up and part it into two. Once you part it into two, just add a little bit, just a teeny weeny tiny bit of gel, whatever you were using. I'm using my little crystal gel. And you're just going to braid your hair into two sections. Just give yourself two little braids. And I'm going to do like those boho braids where you leave a little hair out here and there. You can do that too if you don't know how to do it. Literally, you just braid. Pull a little piece out. Braid. Pull a little more piece out. Braid. Pull a teeny tiny other piece out. If you can't do it, just do a normal braid. You don't have to do this, but I think it adds a little spice. You know what I'm saying? It makes it a little cuter. So I'm braiding, and I'm just going to braid until I can't no more. Y'all, my neighbor dog y'all hear them? Oh my God, y'all, they are out here barking again. Jesus Christ. I think that the dogs calm down out there. Hopefully they get them some Scooby snacks to keep them quiet because they was doing entirely too much, y'all. Anywho, back to the voiceover. The next thing that we're going to do is take some mousse. I'm using my Camille Rose mousse and I'm just spraying it on my little braids to give them like that wet bohemian look that I'm going for. If you don't have any mousse, you can just add a little water and like some kind of hair oil if you have it, just to give it that really cute look. Now this next part, I have to do it for y'all, showing it through the front and the back because I don't want you guys to get confused. All it is a simple twist. I'm just twisting my hair up, and then I am adding a clip. That is all. If you did not see it, rewind that part and look at how I did it again. It's very simple. Right here, I'm just adding a clip. You can see I'm just adding a clip because I'm actually making it a little higher. But again, all you're doing is taking that leftover hair that you had, twisting it up into the back of your hair, and adding a little clip. It's so simple. And we're literally almost done with this whole entire thing. Last thing we need to do is just get these edges right because we can't be out here looking like we got ground beef in the front of our scalp. No. So, get your edge control and slay your edges to the gods. This is a preference. Do your edges however you want. As you can see, I kind of make my edges on the side slick down because they look like little sideburns, and then I kind of shape out the rest of my edges. I kind of just make them into like a C shape, and I just let them fall into place however they fall into place. So once you're done with your edges, you'll have an entire hairstyle that should look something like this. And I love this hairstyle because I feel like as black women, a lot of times we feel like we need to flat iron our hair, always keep it in braids. No, this is simple, easy, and cute. So I'm going to cut the voiceover right here, and I'm going to start talking from the video again. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this helped you, kind of give you some encouragement to do your hair in a different way. It doesn't always have to be in like a very boring look. It can be fun, it can be spiced up, it can be jazzed up, and pain-free. You know, it doesn't have to always be in braids. It doesn't have to always be pulled back. Like this is, you know, it's literally just sitting. It's just sitting. It doesn't hurt. It's not tension on my head. This is a perfect hairstyle, very low maintenance. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you feeling about this hairstyle. Like, do you like it? Do you not? Do you feel it? You feeling it? You eating it? Because I'm eating, honey. I'm eating it. I ain't leaving nothing on the table for nobody else. Period. Could never. You could never. His ex could never. The next could never. I'm eating. I'm serving. I'm giving. I'm giving it on a plate. I'm giving it on a plate. Serving it. Serving it up, boy. Serving it up. Serving it up. Dang. Period.